Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you unlock your full potential and achieve greater success in all areas of your life. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple yet effective mindful meditation practice that will help you achieve success, cultivate focus, clarity, and inner peace. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, reduce stress, or simply find more joy in your daily life, this meditation technique can be a game changer. So, let's get in and explore how you can harness the power of mindfulness to create the life you truly desire. Step 1. Preparing for meditation. Let's take a few moments to get ready for some focused breathing. First, find a comfortable seated position. You can sit with your back straight, either on a chair or on the floor. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground and try to relax your shoulders. Take a few deep breaths to settle in. Now, we'll spend the next 3 minutes focusing on our breathing. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling the air fill up your lungs. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. Keep your attention on the sensation of the breath moving in and out. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breathing. Remember to go at a pace that feels natural and comfortable for you. Let's begin. Step 2. Focused breathing. Take a few moments to focus on your breathing. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill up your lungs. Then slowly exhale out through your mouth. Keep this pattern going, breathing in and out steadily. Breathe in and out without any pauses between the breaths. As you inhale, imagine the oxygen flowing through your body, energizing every cell. If you need to pause and take a break, that's perfectly fine. Just pick up where you left off, breathing in deeply through your nose and out through your mouth. Continue this relaxing breathing exercise for about 3 minutes. Focusing on your breath in this way can help you feel more calm and centered. Step 3. The power of oxygen. Breathing is a fundamental aspect of our existence, yet we often take it for granted. In just 1 to 2 minutes, you can experience the profound impact of conscious breathing. As you take a moment to pause and focus on your breath, you'll notice a heightened sense of awareness and aliveness. The oxygen you inhale is vital for every cell in your body, from your nose to your toes, your hands, heart, and head. With each deep breath, you're nourishing your entire system with this life-giving element. By consciously breathing in and out, you allow the oxygen to circulate and reach every corner of your being, energizing and revitalizing you. This simple yet powerful practice can leave you feeling more present, centered, and connected to the world around you. Take a few moments to explore the transformative effects of conscious breathing and experience the profound benefits it can bring to your overall well-being. Step 4. Completing the breathing exercise. Focusing on your breath is an excellent way to stay grounded and present in the moment. Take a deep inhale, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then slowly exhale, letting go of any tension or distractions. Continue this steady rhythm of breathing for the next 30 seconds, gently bringing your attention back to your breath whenever your mind starts to wander. This simple practice can help you feel more alert, focused, and in control as you finish up this session. Remember to be kind to yourself. If your mind drifts, just calmly redirect it without judgment. Staying present and connected to your breath will help you make the most of the remaining time. Step 5. Reflecting on gratitude. Reflecting on moments of gratitude can be a powerful exercise that can uplift our spirits and remind us of the blessings in our lives. As I think back, 3 moments stand out where I felt a deep sense of gratitude. One that comes to mind is when I received an unexpected act of kindness from a stranger. I was having a particularly challenging day, feeling overwhelmed and discouraged, when a kind-hearted individual offered me a helping hand and a warm smile. In that moment, I felt a surge of gratitude wash over me, filling my heart with warmth and reminding me that there is goodness in the world, even in the midst of difficulties. I can vividly picture the scene, hear the person's gentle voice, and feel the weight of my troubles lifting as I allowed the gratitude to flow through my entire being. Moments like these serve as a powerful reminder to stay present, appreciate the small blessings, and cultivate a grateful mindset, even during challenging times. Step 6. Second moment of gratitude. Now that you've spent some time focusing on the first thing or person you're grateful for, it's time to move on to the second. This could be anything: an experience, a special person in your life, or even a pet. As you shift your attention, remember to keep an open and positive mindset. Bring to mind the second thing or person you want to express gratitude towards. Picture them clearly in your mind's eye. Recall the sounds, sights, and feelings associated with them. Maybe it's the sound of your child's laughter, the feeling of your dog's soft fur, or the sight of a beautiful sunset. Let those positive memories and emotions wash over you. Feel the gratitude fill every part of your body, from your head to your toes. Bask in the warmth and joy of being thankful. Breathe it in deeply and let it become a part of you. Expressing gratitude is a powerful way to boost your mood, strengthen relationships, and appreciate the good things in life. So take a moment to fully experience the gratitude for your second chosen person or thing. Let it fill your heart and soul. Step 7. Third moment of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform our lives in amazing ways. When we focus on the things we're grateful for, it shifts our perspective and helps us appreciate the good in our lives. By visualizing the third moment, person, or experience we're thankful for, we can tap into that feeling of gratitude and let it inspire us. As we see the image, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions associated with that moment of gratitude, it creates a positive energy within us. This energy can energize us and spread throughout our body, making us feel more alive and connected. Gratitude has the power to lift our spirits, boost our mood, and give us a renewed sense of purpose. By regularly practicing gratitude, we can train our minds to focus on the good and find joy in the simple things. So, let's embrace the power of gratitude and let it transform our lives for the better. Step 8. Visualizing success. Visualizing and focusing on your goals is a powerful way to achieve them. Start by thinking of 3 things you want to accomplish in your life. Pick one of those goals and visualize it in detail. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Feel grateful as if it has already been achieved, and believe in your ability to make it happen. Once you've spent some time with that first goal, move on to the next one. Visualize it, feel the joy of its completion, and affirm your belief in your capacity to reach it. Repeat this process for the third goal. By taking the time to vividly imagine your desired outcomes, you're programming your subconscious mind to work towards making those goals a reality. This visualization exercise can be a powerful tool for manifesting the life you want to live. Step 9. Bringing it all together. Take a few more moments to focus on your breathing. Feel your body and mind waking up as you breathe in and out. To help you remember this good feeling, take a deep breath and stretch your arms up high or make fists with your hands. The more you practice this, the better and more alive you'll feel inside. Focusing on your breath and body helps you feel present and energized. Anchoring this feeling with a physical action like stretching or clenching your fists can help you quickly reconnect to that positive state whenever you need it. The more you practice this simple exercise, the easier it will become to feel centered, focused, and full of life, even during a busy day. Give it a try now and see how good it makes you feel. Thank you for joining this meditation practice. Remember, you have the power to shape your life through mindful meditation. Practice this daily and watch the positive changes unfold. Let's continue this journey towards success together. You are amazing. Keep going and be the hero of your own life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit. See you next time.